Word, bird, beaks. Run by dấu slate. Barbet, barbet. I am a barbet, barbet. I have a feather on my beak that looks like hair. Crossbow. I am a crossbow. My beak is crossed like an X. My beak gets the seed out of tree cones. Rhinoceros hornbill. I am a rhinoceros hornbill. I have a horn on top of my beak. I use it to knock down fruit. Sword-billed hummingbird. I am a sword-billed hummingbird. I use my long beak to drink from flowers. Brown pelican. I am a brown pelican. I can hold fish in the skin under my beak. Shoebill stork. I am a shoebill stork. My beak is shaped like a shoe. Spoonbill. I am a spoonbill. My long beak looks like a spoon. Toucan. I am a toucan. My huge and colorful beak is very light. Many birds have 3 beaks. Which beak is your favorite?
We almost passed. Click on the items with the red. What? No way! You got a perfect score